Welcome to our comprehensive guide on 6 passive income streams. If you've ever dreamed about making money while you sleep, then you're in the right place. We'll be showing you how to potentially make $600 a day with ease without even stepping out of your home. From NFT staking to AI-powered trading bots, we have got it all covered. So buckle up and prepare to dive into the world of passive income. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered how to make $600 a day without leaving your home? Well, the answer lies in passive income. Today we'll explore 6 passive income ideas that could potentially help you reach that goal. Starting with NFT staking. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are unique digital assets often linked to digital art or collectibles. Staking involves locking these NFTs in a smart contract to earn rewards. You do this by staking your NFTs on specific platforms and earning rewards in the form of additional NFTs or cryptocurrency. Some platforms where you can do this include Rarible and OpenSea. Next up, let's delve into DeFi yield farming. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, uses blockchain-based systems to recreate and improve upon traditional financial systems. Yield farming is a DeFi activity where you provide liquidity to earn rewards. You lock up your cryptocurrency in smart contracts and receive tokens or interest as rewards. However, be aware of risks, such as smart contract vulnerabilities and market fluctuations. Platforms like Uniswap, Aave, or Compound are great places to start yield farming. Moving on to AI-powered trading bots. These bots use machine learning algorithms to analyze market data and execute trades. You deploy these bots to autonomously trade assets. They analyze historical data, market trends, and news to make decisions. It's important to select reputable bots and monitor them continuously. Platforms like 3 Haas Online, or AlgoTrader are worth checking out. Now let's talk about peer-to-peer lending with cryptocurrency. This model allows you to lend and borrow without traditional intermediaries. You provide cryptocurrency loans to borrowers and earn interest on the lent amount. Platforms like Celsius Network, BlockFi, or Aave can facilitate this lending process. Our 5th idea is subscription-based content creation. As a creator, you can offer exclusive content behind a paywall, creating a recurring revenue stream. You set up subscription tiers with varying levels of access, and subscribers pay a monthly fee for exclusive content. Platforms like Patreon, OnlyFans, or Substack can handle payment processing and content delivery. Finally, we have remote real estate investing. This new model allows you to invest in real estate remotely, often through fractional ownership. You can buy fractions of a property, and the platform manages property-related tasks. Diversifying across different locations can help reduce risk. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or CrowdStreet are great for remote real estate investing. So, there you have it, 6 passive income ideas that could help you make $600 a day without leaving your home. Now it's your turn to take action. Start exploring these ideas and see which ones resonate with you. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. So why not take that step today? Thank you for watching our guide on 6 passive income streams. We truly hope that you found it not just informative but also inspirational. It's time to start your journey towards financial freedom, and we're glad we could provide you with some ideas. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from these strategies, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more innovative ways to grow your wealth. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. So let's make it a prosperous one. See you in the next video.